single leg, glute wind up, slide. I'm going to stand on one leg, hang on to something for balance, weight in the opposite hand. My swing leg will lightly scrape the ground as I kick back and rotate in towards my stance leg. When I stand up, I'll twist my hips out and repeat. Reach as far as you can, stand up and twist out. As I'm reaching, I should feel the stretch on the outside of the glute here. Rotating in as much as I can. Key point is don't lose your big toe connection on your stance leg. I don't want to have my foot rotate open like this. I always want to have my big toe in contact with the ground as I slide back.